In this video, we will be covering the mastering of data visualization with the help of Matplotlib and Seaborn. Let's go through what we will be covering in this video. First, we will cover the installation process of Matplotlib with the help of pip. We will not cover the Conda because I will have a full video on the installation of Conda and creating the virtual environment. We will go through the plotting techniques which we will be using with the help of Matplotlib. So we will cover the line plots, scatter plots, bar plots, histogram. Then we will customize the appearance with the help of changing the colors, labels, and the titles. Of course, the legends as well. And then we will move on to the Seaborn, cover boxplot, violin plots and swarm plots, and then we will go more detailedly into all these charts, let's say. Then we will have a more advanced visualization techniques, and then we will use facet grids to explore the relationship between the multivariate data. Then we will customize the Seaborn scatter plot, and then we will also use notations, text and arrows within the Seaborn, and then we will use interactive visualization capabilities within by using Matplotlib and the Seaborn, such as integrating it with the PyPlot for the dynamic plots. Last but not the least, we will do the two case studies, one for the Airbnb listings, and then the second one is the financial data visualization.